A pre-owned 2004 Lexus GX 470. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 4-liter V8 engine with 4-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Lexus has less than 165,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city and 17 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include moonroof, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and navigation system.